Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the techniques for writing embedded C. Okay, so firstly we'll be discussing about the types of memory, guys. So we are having the three popular types of memory. Those are nothing but the ROM, flash and RAM. Okay, so why I told ROM first is nothing but because it is a read-only memory. So it is coded, or you can say it is hard coded when you got it only. So when you bought it, like while that at the time of manufacturing only, they wrote the code inside that particular component. So whenever you want some particular values, you can just go and read it. That's it. You can never update the values in a ROM, guys. Please remember that, and please go through the theory. Okay, similarly flash. So in simple words, a flash is something which is not ROM, not RAM. It is a moderate thing. You can do some kind of edits and some kind of things are possible on this. Okay, similarly RAM is nothing but it is any operation you can do, and it is a completely temporary storage, you can say. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So now let us go through some bitwise operators. So I hope everyone knows the operation and operation, right? Guys, we have already discussed these operations in various subjects. So that is the reason why I'm just going a bit fast at this topic, okay? And operation. So basically only when 1 in 1. So in both the inputs are 1, 1, only then you'll be getting 1. In any other case, you'll be getting 0. Okay, similarly OR. So other than 0 0 here, so only in 0 0 you'll be getting 0. In any other situation you'll be getting 1. Okay, similarly not is nothing but just opposite. For 0 1, for 1 0. Okay, similarly NAND. So NAND is nothing but AND's opposite. So in AND we got 1 1, we got 1, right? Okay, here for 1 1 we get 0 and rest all it is 1. Okay, similarly NOR is nothing but opposite of OR. Okay, so basically instead of there 0 0 we got 0 and rest all we got 1. So opposite is nothing but 1 0 0. Okay, similarly XOR. Okay, so whenever the count of ones is odd, you will be getting 1. Okay, here we are having odd 1, so we got 1 1. Okay, yes. Similarly XOR, so it is opposite of XOR, right? Okay, so these are all the truth tables, you can say, guys, or the bitwise operators which you need to have a clear idea. Okay, so in the next lecture we will be going through our first ever code on Arduino to blink two lights, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.